Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore a fruit that is not only delicious, but also has amazing health benefits. Yes, you guessed it right. This time, we will be talking about the health benefits of tomatoes. For centuries, tomatoes have been an important part of various cultures and cuisines around the world. Fresh and delicious, tomatoes not only add flavor to your dishes, but also provide a number of amazing health benefits. In this video, we will explore some of the amazing health benefits of tomatoes and why you should include them in your healthy diet. Let's get started. First benefit: rich nutrient content. Tomatoes are a rich source of nutrients required by the body. They contain vitamins A, C, K, and E, as well as minerals like potassium and iron. Its fiber content is also excellent for healthy digestion. Tomatoes also contain lycopene, a natural pigment compound that gives the fruit its red color, and has powerful antioxidant properties. Second benefit: protection against heart disease. One of the most prominent benefits of tomatoes is their ability to protect heart health. The lycopene content in tomatoes has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease by reducing the oxidation of bad LDL cholesterol. In addition, tomatoes also contain potassium, which helps lower blood pressure and maintain the body's electrolyte balance. Third benefit: maintaining eye health. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin A and lycopene, which are essential for maintaining eye health. Vitamin A helps maintain good vision and prevent age-related eye problems, such as macular degeneration. Lycopene has also been shown to protect the eyes from UV damage and lower the risk of cataracts. Fourth benefit: lower cancer risk. The lycopene in tomatoes has powerful antioxidant properties and has been linked to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including prostate cancer, lung cancer, and stomach cancer. Eating tomatoes regularly can help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals and strengthen the immune system. Fifth benefit: supports brain function. The antioxidant content in tomatoes is also beneficial for brain health. Antioxidants help fight oxidative stress and inflammation that can cause damage to nerve cells. Some studies suggest that tomato consumption may improve cognitive function and protect against Alzheimer's disease. Sixth benefit: improves skin health. Tomatoes are also beneficial for skin health. The vitamin C content in tomatoes helps stimulate collagen production, which is important for maintaining skin elasticity and suppleness. The antioxidants in tomatoes also protect the skin from sun damage and help reduce signs of premature aging, such as wrinkles and age spots. In this video, we have explained some of the amazing health benefits of tomatoes. From protecting heart health to improving skin health, tomatoes are an essential addition to your healthy diet. So, don't hesitate to include tomatoes in your dishes every day and enjoy their amazing benefits for your health. Hope this video provides useful insights for all of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next videos.